If you're looking for charm and character without having to sacrifice on quality or location, then 2019 10th Street North is the place for you. Come on inside and let's check it out. This 1925 bungalow has stayed true to its roots. Throughout the home, you will find there's lots of special touches, such as the stained glass windows, built-in writing desk, and even a built-in ironing board, accompanied by an operational wood-burning fireplace. From the restoration of the original wood windows to the functional built-ins, this place is overflowing with all of the features you love about a historic home. Featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. Original wood floors flow throughout this spacious, cozy bungalow. Plus, you will find there's ample closet and storage space. Not to mention, there's a brand new gas stove and a tankless gas hot water heater. Bottom line, I love how this house lives. If you enjoy spending time outside, you will fall in love with this low-maintenance backyard. The large deck is easily accessible from the primary bedroom or off of the laundry room and kitchen area. The backyard is fully fenced in, plus the double gates provide access to your garage for additional storage. Close to some amazing parks, a booming downtown, and our award-winning golf beaches. If you're looking for a turnkey bungalow with historic charm, then 2019 10th Street North is the place for you.